Dari mana kita dapat tahu cerita tentang sistem feudal ni? Asal cerita ini ialah dari Sulalatus Salatin atau sejarah Melayu. Antara dua orang dalam buku ni ada dialog terkenal. Tokoh pertama Sang Sapurba dan seorang lagi ialah Demang Lebar Daun. Wadat antara Sang Sapurba dengan Demang Lebar Daun. This is the thing that link dua pihak ini. Okey, mari kita kaji dialog ini kelas. Maka titah Sang Sapurba, hendaklah segala anak cucu hamba, jikalau ada salahnya sekalipun atau zalim dan jahat pekertinya, janganlah segala hamba Melayu itu derhaka. So basically he's telling, even my pemerintah is useless, is very cruel, hit you, kill you, please don't go against them. Hey, not fair, right? Come on. You mean you keep knocking our head and we just allow you? So they're telling, please, setia. Who said? Sang Sapurba is telling. Of course, Sang Sapurba will say so because dia mewakili golongan pemerintah, right? This is not fair. Sekiranya pihak anda tidak berlaku adil, pihak saya tidak boleh menjanjikan tak setia. I would answer like that. Tapi Demang Lebar Daun said, baiklah tuanku, okey tuanku, tetapi anak cucu duli tuanku dahulu mengubahkan, anak cucu patik pun berubahlah tuanku. So basically, Demang Lebar Daun said what I wanted to say just now, remember? You be fan, then I will be setia. So he said that in a very nice manner sebab ini budaya masyarakat Melayu tradisional, menghormati golongan pemerintah. Walaupun apa yang Sang Sapurba sebutkan itu tak dapat diterima, Demang Lebar Daun said, if you change your position, your peranan, and then we will change also. Fair enough? In a very nice way. Actually, Demang Lebar Daun in this sejarah Melayu is very upset, he's very angry, he feel unfair. But how you want to tell Sang Sapurba? That's how he said. Kalau kita, what we will say? Eh, not fair, you do. That's very rude. But see how they communicate. That is respect, class. That is respect. That is beautiful dalam kalangan masyarakat Melayu tradisional. I admire this, class. I adore this.